Here we're showing the Morgana AutoFold Pro card folding machine. It accepts pre-creased stock from either a Morgana auto creaser or another manufacturer's creasing machine. Very simple to set up. You just compress the preset fold patterns just here, or if you press a ruler in the middle if you want to do a bespoke job. Show you it running a floor page. With the preset fold patterns here. Put the thickness of the sheet just here, the length of the sheet just here. This is the thickness of the sheet in relation to each roller, 1, 2 and 3. This is showing you how many fold plates you've got on, in this case just the one at 148.5. Pre-programmed, 99 of them. This is setting a delivery, a roller, and the gap between each shingled sheet.